Good afternoon. What we're doing today is we're going to look at the NAO robot's ability to do machine learning through some interesting capabilities that have been added to the V6 version or Power Now. So here on the canvas screen, I got a capture of choreograph showing the three particular items interest for doing this. And these are under the sensing, it said human understanding, get age, where it'll get the relative age of a person or a group of people in front of it, get gender, which can be for an individual or for a group. It said there's actually two separate icons you drag in to choreograph to program this, whether you're doing it for an individual, one person or for an entire group. And down here we got get expression. They also have get mood and get smile. But these together can be used to create a machine learning program. The way you would do that is, in this example here, from a program I actually made, it said this where it asked the person, mind if we get your age? It said that it determines that, it says what it is, and it logs it. It says the same thing for the gender, same thing for the mood. By the way, all three of these can be done at the same time through the facial recognition. It can do a group of 30 in about 4 seconds from my experience with the robot. And then logs this. Now, the way you could use this, let me bring up, here's actual choreograph, and here's a joke detect or joke telling program where it gets the mood. But the way you would use this to create machine learning is here where it's logging it. Well, you could take that and then feed that into some additional logic structures, and then over time, based on what jokes it thinks were funny for a particular group, and like I said, if young females think one particular joke is funny, then it can restructure the order it tells jokes. It said instead of from being random that this person in front of us is a young female, young females think these particular jokes are funny and tell those. Actually created a program based on this with 100 jokes, and that's exactly what it does. I don't have enough data yet to say how well it works, but I've created it. By doing this, is that this example of machine learning. Other things you could do, we wrote a program using the NAO robots. We put it out in front of the school cafeteria. And as students come out of the cafeteria at the end of lunch, ask, what you think of lunch today? Well, here's what the robot records. It records the relative age. It said, so let's figure whether it's a staff person or a student. It said gender, and then what their body language says. It won't record anything, no video recording, no audio recordings. I don't want a potty mouth robot, but it will record that data. And it said, and that data could be extrapolated to particular crowds without it violating data rules that you could track it to an individual student. That is absolutely phenomenal. Some of the great things that you can do with these NAO robots. Well, that's all for now from machine learning. Have a great day.